Want to make money while you sleep? YouTube can help. It's easier than you think to build a successful channel that earns you passive income. This video reveals how. Ever wished for money to magically appear in your bank account? Well, it's not magic, but with YouTube, it's pretty close to it. Building a successful YouTube channel is like creating a money-making machine that works for you 24/7. Let's unlock the secrets to turning YouTube views into a steady stream of cash. First, you need a killer channel. Think of it as your online storefront. Choose a catchy name that people will remember and create an awesome profile picture and banner. These are like the window display of your store. They need to grab attention. Next, create amazing videos. What problem are you solving for people? Focus on that. Make videos that are helpful, entertaining, or both. Short, snappy videos are great for grabbing attention, but long-form videos allow you to go deep into a subject and build trust with your viewers. Think about collaborating with other YouTubers. Teaming up with someone else will give you access to their audience, and you'll gain new viewers who are already interested in your type of content. It's like adding a whole new section to your store. Now, it's time to get your videos seen. Share your videos on other social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Think of it as advertising your store in different places. Monetizing your channel is the next step. This is where the passive income comes in. Once you have enough views and subscribers, you can join the YouTube Partner Program. Then, you can earn money from ads shown on your videos. Tracking your progress is super important. YouTube Analytics gives you all the data you need to see what's working and what isn't. This helps you understand what videos people enjoy, allowing you to create even more amazing videos that people want to watch. Finally, build a community around your channel. Engage with your viewers. Answer their comments and questions. Create a friendly and welcoming space where people want to hang out. The more engaged your audience is, the more successful your channel will be. Stay updated on the latest YouTube trends. What's new? What are people watching? Keeping your videos current will help you attract more viewers.